Hey babies, welcome back to my channel. I want to pat myself for being pretty regular on my YouTube. I've got my hair done from Loka. I've done my nails from Loka. So there's this place in Kalyani Nagar. I love their nail finishing. It's amazing. And I love how they've done my hair, given me the beach waves today. And today I have a special guest on my YouTube. He's not a guest actually, but yeah, I have a special human being that's joining me for this YouTube channel. So all the girls, holla. Rohan. So guys, I have Rohan Kotnis, my brother-in-law, and today we're going to take the spicy challenge. First, let me call him Rohan.
Hey guys, what's up?
So this is Rohan. He's my brother-in-law. He's about 5 years younger than me.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah, 5 years younger than me, and he's a chilled out boy. He's
Nice,
very
huh?
nice. He's very kind. He's very lazy, but he's a kind guy. Sometimes
Nice things, Priya.
Yeah.
Nice things. Well, we actually bonded like lockdown time a lot.
Yeah, a little post the lockdown.
yeah, I get it.
A little post the lockdown. Guys, if you're following my YouTube, you've seen my December wedding. You've seen my February, like engagement come a reception party that we had. So he was always missing because this guy was in France. He was doing his animation there. He was doing his masters in animation there. So that 1 year he was busy there, and I think you left by what month?
I left in September.
September. So barely spent like few months with him, though he was like in a hostel then, so he wasn't staying at home. Then he got back from France and he got this amazing job in Bombay, and he was there for a year. He was living in his own apartment, so he was having a very good time. And now he's opened something called Artoons, and this is his new baby. And I know a little bit, but yeah, you should tell them what Artoons
So it's
is all about.
basically Artoon is an online platform where our mentors teach 2D animation, 3D animation, digital art, and we have these virtual classrooms where the ratio is like 1:5, one teacher, 5 students. At a very early stage, either you can learn 2D animation, 3D animation, or say you've done your course, say you're an architect or you're a lawyer or something, and you want to learn a new exciting course. So these courses are meant for that.
After 3 months, you will be at a stage where we'll help you make like a good portfolio and everything.
Artoon.
That's a lot.
That's Artoon.
That's a lot. And it's all
And hopefully get a placement. Thank you.
that was in Thailand. We wanted to get our hair colored. Both of us came with that intention. Really requested a papa that, you know what, we want to get our hair colored and this and that. But our father was like, no, I'll take you to a salon. And he took us into this really shady lane, to this shady as fuck parlor with 2 women there. And both were laughing at us in the beginning. They were laughing at us while we left. And I wanted to get highlights and he wanted to go global blonde.
Like a brownish shade.
A brownish, yeah,
shade.
whatever it was. We both wanted the same color, almost the same color. It was the same color because she used the same color on us. But I wanted highlights and he wanted like a global hair color. And guess what happened?
Go watch the video.
I was really upset that day, but I still carried it off for a whole year.
Looking like a
Because my
Thai,
hair-
local
because
Thai.
my-
Local Thai, bro.
My hair was damaged, guys.
Yeah, I was more on decent, like.
Yeah, you were like one of those TikTok stars. The best thing about Rohan, I mean, what I think, Maushi. So, the best part about Rohan, if you check his WhatsApp status even now,
Always sleeping?
always
Yeah.
sleeping, yes. Because this guy loves sleeping. And I thought I had a sleeping disorder and I sleep a lot, but I'm glad this guy has walked into my life like a little fairy for me to tell everyone, like, look, this is not a problem. He has a problem. He sleeps at any time, at any hour. I sleep. I sleep for 10 hours, I sleep for 12 hours. But I don't sleep like 15 minutes,
Yeah,
1 hour,
yeah.
half an hour, 40. No, I
You
sleep.
can sleep. It's not like you don't want to sleep.
No,
or
no, no.
something.
I
You
can't.
can
No, No,
sleep.
I can't. Once I'm up, I don't keep falling off to sleep. But once I sleep,
I can sleep anytime,
but
anywhere.
once I sleep for at least 10 hours, which I'm trying to reduce because they say it's unhealthy. It makes you very
So, तू बहुत healthy चीजें करती है. Like, throughout your day, you have a lot of like healthy things going on.
that I meant it's just unhealthy mentally also.
Okay,
It's not a good thing to sleep like that because they say very depressed people sleep like for 10 hours and 12 hours. 8
Peaceful
hours.
people who
I used to say this.
Yeah.
I
so
used to say this earlier.
Peaceful people sleep
Yeah,
a
if
lot.
you sleep like a baby,
And
that
who work
means
really hard. So these are the people who sleep a lot. People who are really smart, intelligent, they need
and
some
they
rest.
use their brains a lot, so they
Yeah.
get really tired. Yeah. Remember the first time you ever met me?
Yeah, actually. So there was this 31st party where parents had gone to Nagpur, and Dada and me decided that let's have a party. Like you call your friends, I'll call my friends, and that's when I met you for the first time. You had come with some
And
of your
somebody
friends.
passed out in the.
Yeah.
Somebody passed out in the tub in the house.
And he got up, bro. We were trying to find him since like half an hour, 45 minutes. Like, where is this guy gone? And then
I remember going specifically to see who's lying in the. We'll not take his name, right? We don't want to disclose anyone's name.
But
you know
I'm
who
gonna
you
tell
are. I've done 3 packets and I've divided it between the 2 of us. Usually, all the challenges they have like milk and water and coke, but we're not doing that. We're gonna nail this in a minute. Oh, where's the timer? Put your phone on timer. Are we ready with the?
Yeah.
Hey, see, Moshi, I told you guys, this is a very odd. Moshi, hi, bolo. Bolo na. Yeah. Are we ready with the timer?
Yeah.
1 minute. Are we going to eat like gluttons?
Yeah, 1 minute. No, so you need to finish it in a minute.
Okay, I'll just
Okay.
settle my head.
And it's a competition.
Yeah, it's a competition.
Okay. One, 2, 3, go. Dude, this is fuck spicy.
थोड़ा पानी पहले पी लेना चाहिए था. Eight.
Dude, this is spicy.
What if? Oh fuck! What if we made hiccups? Can I?
What's that competition?
Dude, are you getting an attack or something?
How are you not?
I'm bringing you, bro. I'm the Dwayne Johnson here.
Oh. Guys, we surpassed the time. We'll still try and finish it. It's spicy, guys. It's spicy to eat it like this, I think. You should eat it slowly. You're sweating. I'm sweating for a gym.
Dude, this is spicy. Dude, this is spicy. Dude, this is spicy. You have so
You
much.
feel like you have lipstick on. 2 minutes 20 seconds.
I'm way much more done than her, bro.
Oh shit,
What
tissue.
is prize money को है क्या?
No. Just the girls who got impressed. DM में भूख लगी थी. तूने लंच किया था? तूने लंच किया था? He had lunch and then he's still able to eat it up. Okay, you can drink water now. You won anyways. Still have quite a bit left, like.
I think I deserve a prize money or something, or a prize or a gift, yeah, Priya. Itna? Or at least
No. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to
like, share, subscribe, do whatever. But go now and do it right now.